Hello guys, I am Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So if you still not subscribe our YouTube channel, so I will request you to click on subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss out on our important tutorials guys. So now let's start the next question guys. So the next question in interview room, it may ask you, can we change the return type for method overriding? Can we change the return type for method overriding? So answer, we will say yes, yes. Okay, yes, but covariant return type. Covariant return type, okay, we can change, okay, in method overriding, guys. Okay, so what is meant by covariant return type? So what is meant by covariant return type? So if there is a relationship in between two classes, so we will say that, okay, that return type, okay, like object and the string, object and string. Okay, so now this is, we will say, okay, valid. Okay, so object superclass method can return, going to suppose superclass method going to return object type and the subclass method going to return string type, so then we will say this is covariant return type. Okay, and then that will be valid guys. So now suppose we going to return superclass method, okay, we are going to return superclass method object return type, and then subclass method going to return string buffer. Okay, string buffer. So now this is again we will say covariant return type. Okay, so we will say valid. Okay, valid. But suppose we try to return, okay, superclass method string and subclass method going to return string buffer, string buffer. Okay, so now we will say, okay, this is not valid, this is not valid guys, this is not valid. Okay, so even we can say integer, okay, integer, okay, integer and long, integer and long, again we will say this is totally different, okay, or variant return type, so again this will not work guys. Okay, so let's discuss with one example. Like let's say we write a class, okay, we write a class, okay, in the class we write a82, okay, a82 class, and then for this class we write a class b82 guys. Okay, and which will extends to a82. Okay, 82 class going to contain one method and its return type is object. Okay, and the method I write to show you here. Okay, and in Java we knew that suppose any method going to return any return type, so that method must need to return at least compatible value, must need to return at least compatible value. So null is compatible with, null is compatible with objects. Okay, so we need to return at least compatible value guys. Okay, so now this is the superclass method, and then suppose we write the same method in subclass, so we will say this is method overriding. Okay, and then in method overriding our question is that can we change the return type? Yes, we can change. Okay, so object to string will work guys, object to string will work, object to string will work. Okay, and then we can even we can say 82. Okay, 82, 82. Okay, 82 is the return type of superclass method, and the b82 is the subclass method. Okay, b82 is the return type of subclass method. Even we can write, okay, even we can write 82 and 82, 82 and 82. Okay, 82 and 82 we can write like this. Okay, same return type we can have, but we cannot write string. Okay, we cannot write string. Okay, and then string buffer, because there is no relationship in between string and string buffer, so we will say this is totally invalid return type. Okay, because this is totally variant return type, this is totally variant return type. Even we try to return integer, okay, integer, and like for here suppose we try to return long, for integers we are going to return 0 at least compatible value, integer with integer 0 is compatible. Okay, and suppose, okay, long with long 0 is compatible also. Okay, so now you can see guys, so we will get an error. Okay, because integer and long totally different, okay, or variant return type in Java guys. Okay, because there is no relationship in between integer and long guys. Got it guys? Or even we can say, even we can say, like for example, okay, object, okay, object, and then sub object with object 0 is compatible, even null is compatible guys. Okay, and with integer class, okay, integer class, not int, integer class, okay. With integer class, 0 is compatible or null is also compatible, guys, okay. So now you can see, because there is a relationship in between object and integer, because for integer class, object is the superclass. So again we can write here, okay, again we can write here object and integer, okay. So now we will say this is a valid return type, okay. So now it means to say we can change the return type in Java for method overriding, okay. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, okay, don't forget to click on like and share it with your friends, guys, okay, and keep learning and keep coding, okay. So happy coding, guys. Thank you.